Good morning friends. We are going to do a nature collage today. So I went to my garden and picked some leaves and some flowers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use glue to glue them on this paper. So I have these pretty leaves, and this is something part of a flower. So I'm going to glue them. See this one, it's so beautiful. It's yellow, and I got some dandelions and more leaves, and I have another one, really pretty colors. And I did a nature collage. So maybe you can go around your backyard and find different things and do a nature collage with your family. Hope you enjoyed, friends.